there are no easy answers. Do you think that there are any key questions that maybe we should be asking more, or maybe county leaders should be asking more to help get some sort of conversation about schools going even more?
Well, I think, getting the detailed plans about how schools would operate, figuring out how the county would actually support really critical public health responses like contact tracing. That's something that the school system probably doesn't do itself. The county has to do it. Providing testing resources. I mean, the county really needs to step up here and provide full resources so that the schools can, really test all the teachers and everybody who works in a school, regularly, and kids. If any kid shows a sign, you can have a quick 15-minute turnaround test. Those are coming soon. We need to be thinking about different parts of the county, how the county is not all the same. The virus is not the same level of transmission in every part of the county. So are there ways that we can target more resources into communities where we know there's more viral spread? And that would potentially enable us to have the virus more under control where it is present. So, if your school community doesn't have as much virus, you don't have to worry as much. There's different risks, in different parts of the county. So I think there's a lot more that we can be doing. I think especially just targeting more resources and more effort at the communities that are harder hit. It is unfortunately the case that the virus is not spreading, evenly across the board. It's much more present in communities where you have more crowded housing, where people are more likely to be frontline workers, where they gather, where they're not following the guidance as closely. They might gather, for family events, or just, to see one another without the necessary precautions. Those are all kinds of factors that work together and can cause more spread. So we need to really do a better job, I think, taking that on.